Are you afraid of the outdoors?
Fear.
Do you want an excuse to own a fuel-inefficient sport utility vehicle?
Dear Diary, status update, just camped.
Don't waste another minute of your life without the sound of camping with Rod Mentor. That's me. Beautifully shot in VHS format, this video cassette is your ticket off the couch and into Mother Nature's backyard. Why don't we take a knee in AJRM PGRP? That is, anticipate joining Rod Mentor and planning to get ready to prepare. Building a fire is clean heat, and it's also gluten-free. You can do it by rubbing two sticks together. You don't have to leave your music at home. How many chickens do I call in the mornings? Camping's not so new. It was brought to you by the pre-Columbians, the same people that brought you sports like stand-up paddleboarding, yoga, and tetherball. Sometimes getting along with the locals takes diplomacy.
Have you seen any muskrats? I need pelts for the winter.
Boy, you're freaking me out right now. Packing your backpack is not as easy as it looks. You want to start with some weight as ballast, and then add weapons and snacks. Most of the food that you'll need is growing right under your feet.
Time out. This is all lava. You got dysentery, and your second oxen just died.
You'll learn all this and more on this classic video cassette of the sound of camping with Rod Mentor. Act now and you'll receive this signature table tennis racket carrying case absolutely free.